Wow. So this particular part is real simple as well. So please don't get intimidated by anything. I said that's all. So what did I do? I said B, B, then you slow from that B, that's B, C, C sharp. As you're learning on that C sharp, you're playing the left hand chord there, which is like a 2. Okay, but that's F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Then you switch your right hand down while still on that left hand chord. Okay, so this will kind of come to complement it. As on the right hand, that is A, yeah, A, E, and B. Yeah, A, E, and B. And the next chord, I love playing this a lot. This is the 5, but I'm playing an A diminished 7th chord over the 5. All right. So my left hand is saying B, D sharp, and F sharp, while my right hand is saying A, C, D sharp, and F sharp. So I'm doing, and that is E, D sharp, E. So I'm learning all together with the E on my left hand as well. That is E, B, and G sharp. So just to get the context. Okay, and the next thing is, I know this is where you want to understand better. So alright guys, so I had to pause to figure out a way of teaching you this more effectively so that you understand. So what we'll do is this, we'll focus on the middle notes, because if you watch closely, on the left hand we have a lower static E there. So it's not changing, it's not moving. And also on the right hand we have the highest note there, which is an E, and it's also static, it's not changing. So we'll focus on the middle notes. That's what is creating the effects that you're hearing right now. So on the left hand we have B, and on the right hand we have G sharp together. Okay, then you kind of switch down. So on the left hand we have A, and on the right hand we have F sharp. Okay, so they are played together as well. So that's the movement. I forget it. So the next part is, so let me show you that. So we're kind of slurring. On the left hand we play C, on the right hand we play A together with that C, and we slur together to D on the left hand and B on the right hand. Then the right hand alone does this C and goes down to B. Then all of them, they come down together, and that is A on the right hand and C on the left hand. Yeah. I hope you get it. So the more fast you do it, the more sweet it sounds. So the same thing you played before, like initially, which is that's A on the left hand, F sharp on the right hand. And this concludes it, which is B on the left hand and G sharp on the right hand. I hope you understand this. Please, if you don't understand, please let me know, because I know this is kind of dicey for me to show you. So that's it.